to the God, immortal, invincible, the only wise King, who reigns forever, who left his throne to be like man, so that men can become like him. Eternal, immortal, invincible, the wise King, who reigns forever and who reigns supreme, who died on the cross to draw men unto him. It is beyond an ideology. It is beyond a religion. It is a family bonding made by love. So we raise a sound of hope to the hopeless. And we raise a sound of love to those who have been rejected, dejected, despised, because he was despised. But like he said, unless a grain of a weed falls to the ground and dies, but if it dies, it abides alone. Yes, he abided alone on the cross, because even his father could not behold him, because his father will not behold iniquity. But he did it so that our identity can be changed, and we have been translated into a kingdom of his dear son, the kingdom of light. So we express light because he is in us, and we are the light of the world. A city that is set upon a hill cannot be hidden. Even if you hide us under a bushel, we shine. So there is nothing and there is no one. There's no challenge that can put us off. There's no challenge that can put us down. So we raise a hope to a hopeless generation. See, salvation is not in the crucifix, it's in the crucified. So when you wear the crucifix, ensure you wear the crucified, because the crucified wants to find expression to a generation that is dark, a generation that is lost. So you cannot be depressed now. No.